Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. First of all, Happy New Year. I hope that this year could bring happiness and all your wishes and desires come true and would be a peaceful year for all of us, all the people living in the different regions of the world. So let's back towards our details. Friends, as you know that I am sharing a very beautiful, simple and easy design patterns of neckline embroidery ideas. All of these are a new year treat to you. All of these are very beautiful, decent, easy, simple, and stylish and more elegant neckline design patterns that will be mostly trending and mostly loved by throughout the whole 2023 year. These are all time favorite, easy to make with very basic, easy, and simple beginner friendly embroidery stitches. And the simple stitches being used could be of catch works in the embroidery for giving 3D patternized styles of these. You can use lazy daisy, you can use knotted stitch, like you can use Brazilian knots and many more creativities as per your choices. So all you have to do is do try these patterns, and if you really like them, do comment below our videos so that we could get to know what you feel about our content and what you want us to share with you on daily basis. Because on my channel you can get all styles of all stylish, amazing and trendy basic design ideas related to the persons who are lovers of hand art, hand embroidery, needlework. The thread you can use for making these patterns is as per your choices. You can use anchor DMC wool as well. So all of these are extremely extraordinarily beautiful and easy to make. You can use these patterns to design your shirts, to design your sweatshirts, t-shirts, your gowns, your maxis, your short length, your midi dresses, your bodycon dresses, and many more creativities as per your style. Like you can make these patterns onto your paplum shirts, onto your kalidar suits, onto your simple denim fabric shirts, onto your simple cotton, lawn, linen, corduroy fabrics, khadar, and many more for giving more festivity looks. Like you can use these very beautiful patterns onto velvet, onto silk, raw silk, kathan silk, and many more shimmery fabrics as well. Even you can use these patterns to design your chiffon and grip dresses as well. So hope to see you soon back in my channel with my new and latest upcoming videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves.